the perfect lighting solution. Quick Connect Gondola header lighting increases product sales with crisp, clean, transforming light in just minutes. LED lights securely fit beneath your gondola shelves, using strong magnetic mounts that are ideal for lozier shelving, but can be adapted to almost any steel gondola shelving system. A simple click of integrated connectors string the lights together. Connect the cable to the power track and presto, dramatically change the appearance of your merchandise. Quick Connect lighting attracts attention and will boost sales for years to come. Perfect for grocery and convenience stores, hardware and home improvement retailers, pharmacies, and beer, wine, and spirit shops. Midwest Retail Services, retail's first choice. For more information about Quick Connect header lighting, contact Midwest Retail Services today.